Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade lemonade. It's getting warmer outside and soon it'll be really hot, and this is a nice refreshing drink and it's really good for the kids too. They like it. So for this lemonade, all you need is I just get a bag full of lemons and some sugar and water. Now we're just going to stir this to dissolve the sugar and bring it to a boil. So for the lemons, I like to just roll them on the cutting board like this and kind of press down a little bit just to get all the juices flowing. And also another tip, if you have like dry hands or cuts on your hands, I would wear a glove, recommend wearing a glove, or else it will burn your hands, whether you're squeezing it by hand or with a squeezer like I have. And after your sugar and water mixture has boiled, it will become clear like this. And this is like instantly after it just started boiling. And so you just take it off of the heat and let it cool down. And so I just cut the lemon in half. This is really handy because it catches all the seeds. So you put it cut side down into there and press it directly into your measuring cup. We're supposed to have 1.5 cups worth of lemon juice. So now we have all the lemon juice here. It's not quite 1.5 cups, but it's close enough. And then we have our sugar mixture cooling right now. I'm gonna pour this into a pitcher. So I have my pitcher here, and this usually fits all the drink in here, including the 7 more cups of water we have to put. So I'm going to put my ice cubes in the pitcher. I have 7 just regular sized ones. And then I'm going to be pouring all of my lemon juice in there. And then I'm going to be pouring the sugar water mixture as well. And then I'm going to pour the remaining 7 cups of water into here. So that is how you make the lemonade, and of course I'm going to chill it before I serve it. And if you wanted, you could even slice up some extra lemons and put them in the top of this to add more of a lemony flavor, but I ran out of lemons, so I don't have any. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you made this and tell me how it ends up tasting. This is really good. It's great for summertime. Kids love it, adults love it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!